Nothing scary can happen if the lights are on. Oh! Yeah, I'm good. Ah! Dude, come on, bro. You know what I mean? Like, come on. The basement just changed. Ooh! Okay. Run! Run! White room protocol. Let's get straight into it. All right, GG's. We're already playing and we're in like a dark room. Okay, there we go. What's going on? Hello?
Welcome to the White Room Protocol. This program places the user in a controlled virtual memory environment to locate and erase traumatic memories. User, Jesse Whitmore. You left the family
Our name's Jesse.
home at a young age. Years later, you received news that your parents had mysteriously disappeared. You decided to return to the family home to uncover the truth, but experienced traumatic memories there. To erase them, your consciousness will soon connect to a virtual memory environment.
Okay.
Activate the terminal to begin.
Terminal activated. What's going on? Oh, it's like a simulation, dude. Oh, dude, it's a simulation. This is crazy.
Welcome your home, Jesse. You
Dude.
are currently reliving a memory from your past.
This is crazy.
Don't forget that what you're experiencing is a simulation.
It's literally a simulation. Yo, that flashing light, dude, you trying to put me in the hospital? It's so dark in here. Is there light switches? Oh yeah, there is right here. There's no power. Is there, hold on. Is there a flashlight? There must be a flashlight. I can't see crap, dude. It is dark up in here. Oh, hold on, here goes something. Hold spacebar. Turn on the electricity. Got it. There should be an electric switch in the garage. Wait, chat. We've been in this house before. How do I know this house? What game is this house from? Chat, what game is this house from? This house is from... Dude, it's from one of the Tales of the Tomb games. It's like one of the first ones when you're babysitting the house or whatever, and you walk in the kitchen, that old man comes over, and then there's like a TV over here. Oh, that's the bathroom. Yeah, because you remember you have to hide in the yeah, you guys remember because there's like a wardrobe in here you have to hide in during the game. Ew! Did you see those roaches, bro? Carl, deal with these bugs. They're scaring our little daughter. Oh, hello? Daughter. Chat, my brain is, what's happening? Daughter. It powers on.
To erase this memory from your mind, you need to find and burn the memory objects. Start by lighting the fireplace, then begin searching for the memory items.
All right, fireplace and then memory items. Got it. Yo, is that a real TV station?
911 call last night from a woman
Is that AI?
trying to kill her. Police couldn't.
Where the heck's the fireplace at? Door's locked. Oh, right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Gotta find a lighter.
From a woman, her husband trying to kill her.
Okay, we gotta find a lighter.
Police couldn't anyone.
I bet you that news station is about us.
Trying to kill her.
All right, I'm gonna assume that the lighter is upstairs. Get these lights turned on. Little graduation picture. Yo, look at this bathroom though. Oh, nice shower. Nice shower. Then you got the bathroom laundry combo. It's like an episode of HPG. Classic. Oh, definitely gonna be a lighter in here. Oh wait, maybe not. Dude, that teddy bear scared the crap out of me. Puzzle. Oh, I bet you the puzzle's a memory thing. Can we open the drawers? Ain't no lighter up in here, bro. That's a sweet action figure, dude. Okay, no lighter in here. Wait, is this a drawer? Yo, we got some jeans on, dude. Games where you can they let you see your feet are always like throw me off. Most games don't let you. Wait, can we use that? Door's locked. Okay, let's check this drawer right here. I didn't think to check these. Are you serious? Well, I didn't check any of the drawers downstairs though, because I didn't know you could open them, so could be downstairs. Let's get these lights turned on.
911 call last night from a woman.
Imagine there's a lighter in the bathroom. That'd be crazy, right? Oh my gosh, 2 laundry rooms in this house? Dude, these people got money. Like 2 laundry rooms is crazy. Lighter in the... It would make sense for a lighter to be in the garage, I feel like, but... Okay, wait. That picture frame was looking a little suspect. Okay, dude. Where the heck's this lighter at, bro? That coat rack throwing me off.
911 call last night from a woman.
Okay, we can't check these.
911 call last night from a woman. Trying to kill her.
Dude, where the heck is this lighter at, bro? Wait, is it in this pocket? Imagine. Well, the lighter's not outside, that's for sure.
911 call last night from a woman. Trying to kill her.
All right. Oh wait, drawer right. Oh, look at that. We opened up every drawer in this house, and it happens to be the last drawer that we just happened to miss. What kind of crap is that? Okay, there we go. In my room, it's gonna be that puzzle. It's gonna be that puzzle, I guarantee it. Ooh, that was scary. The electric trip. Let me go turn it back on. Oh, let me grab this puzzle real quick, though. Wait. Oh, I seen something outside. You got the lighter, though. What the heck was that? Dude, you guys definitely heard that, right? Turn it on. You guys definitely heard that, right? There was like somebody walking. Okay, let's go back upstairs, try to get this puzzle. What the heck is going on up here, dude? What is happening? I'm gonna assume that it's the puzzle. Okay, not the puzzle. Action figure. I swear I just seen something. There's a person sitting on the couch. That hash slinging slasher. You gotta remember, this is just a simulation. There's nothing to be scared of. It's not real. It's not real. Okay, we're burning memories. Oh, that's the memory burning? Dang. That's a terrible memory, bro. Okay. Okay, so I assume we need to find more memories, huh? Is the daggum thing burning, bro? Look at that shadow. Am I losing my mind? Oh, wait, there's like a memory thing now. What stop. Door's locked. Oh! Shh. The power go out again? No. Yes. Is the power out? Oh! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's a simulation. It's not real. It's not real. It's not real. They just shut me in here. Don't close the door. Oh, what light's flickering now? Dude, this game is freaky, bro. I can do it faster. Is that Morse code? It's something, bro. Oh, wait, a note. Since Jesse left, this house means nothing. Carl, you're starting to lose it. I'm scared. I don't know how much longer I can take this. All right. Well, I think my mom wrote this note. So we're getting more memories. Someone shut us in here. Door's locked. We need to start turning these lights on. Okay. Nothing scary can happen if the lights are on. That's the rules of every scary game and movie. Nothing scary can happen if the lights are on. Oh! Yeah, I'm good. Whoa. Whoa. That was crazy. Wait, is that the dad? Dude, what we got going on here, bro? Where's the next item at? Door's still locked. Nothing in the garage. Shovel, maybe? No? Hatchling slashers coming for you? Dude, with a throw like that? Like, dang. I don't know, Okay, we found a puzzle piece. Let's take it up there and complete the puzzle, and then I bet you that's an item. Of course I shut the door. That's just fantastic. The one door that I shut. Oh my gosh, that's like one singular piece out of 4. You need to find bro, give him the number to the Browns. You're not wrong there, brother. You're not wrong there. There's no way I missed other puzzle pieces though, right? Like, I feel like I've been looking for them pretty... Or, like, looking for items. Alright. Alright, so I don't think there's any more puzzle pieces in this room. Dang, no, now that I know that I'm looking for them, it's like... We found another one. We need 2 more. 2 more puzzle pieces. Okay. Not in here. Ah! One more. Did you look in the washer? I don't think you can... Oh, wait, I didn't look in the washer, though. Alright, we need 1 more piece. Oh, actually, let's go put these in here first. Oh, it's a handprint, too. Alright, we need 1 more piece. Probably gonna be downstairs since we found all those up here. Hustle, loyalty, respect. Okay, not right there. Nope. Nope. Negative. Is it in the garage? Sitting on a little shelf, just waiting for me to find it. Oh! Dude, I am good, bro. I am good, dude. Just sitting there waiting for me to find it. Was at the door?
Don't let the bad memories take over your mind, Jesse. Think of this as a dream, and keep searching for the memory objects to complete the protocol.
Can you get my DoorDash order? Okay, so it just says, don't let the bad dreams get to you. So is this not a memory object? I guess we're gonna go open the door. Yo, you think I'm scared of you, bro? You think I'm scared of you? I'm coming, don't you worry. Where you at? Nowhere. Welcome home, son. Yeah, shut up. Dude, it ain't even that serious, bro. It ain't nothing to me. Always turning the power off though, bro. Always turning the power off though, cousin. Oh great, now we gotta use a flashlight. Okay, we have a key, probably goes to the door that's upstairs. Why is my flashlight flickering, bro? Yo, this game's gnarly. Ooh. Ooh. That's a crazy picture to just have casually sitting in your bedroom, though. I ain't gonna lie. Another note. 2012. No, 1508, bro. What? Ever since I kicked Jessie out, she's lost her mind. She's getting on my nerves. If she can't live without him, I'll make sure she doesn't have to. Oh, dang, that's crazy. Buddy's crazy. A gramophone. It won't let me grab said gramophone. Dang, so he's trying to take us out, though. I can't grab the gramophone. What we got over here? Alarm clock. Imagine he poses for that picture, though. Like, oh, we want to get a nice portrait to put in a frame. I'm concerned that I can't grab the gramophone. Alright, so maybe I can't grab it yet. Let's go somewhere else then. Oh, wait. Did I say something else? No. What about these drawers? Oh. Okay, that's so weird. It let me open up that singular drawer. Oh, wait. Could we got a couple other ones? Got nothing. Memory object just got something. Oh, so we probably need something for the gramophone. Like we needed with the puzzle, I bet. Alright, we got a memory object. Let's go put it in the fire. Wait, can we grab the puzzle yet? So we probably need something for the gramophone then. Oh! Bro, no, I'm good. What the heck? Okay. Memory item has been placed. You gotta put something in it? Like what, dude? What goes in a gramophone? Oh wait, now this door's got blood on it. Dude, can we turn the power back on? Gasoline? A gram? Oh my gosh, dude. Nothing. Nothing in any of these rooms, dude. All these rooms shut now. Did you see that? Basement key. Yeah, we got the basement key. Going down these basements are so crazy, bruh. What are we looking for? So we're trying to find memory items to burn. So we're in a simulation right now. Man, I hate basements, bruh. Oh! Well, dude, relax. Like, for real. It's not that big a deal. Generator, we can turn the power back on. There's like a weird coffin situation. Or whatever this is. What could possibly be in here? Like, it can't be nothing good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's roaches and my mom. Fantastic. There's something behind me, isn't there? No, we're good. Mommy? Alright, mom's cooked, so can we turn the about this generator, though? We have a safe.
Jesse, you've made good progress so far.
Okay.
Inside this safe lies a powerful memory object tied to the moment you wish to erase.
Okay.
You'll need to explore the house and find the code to unlock it.
Okay, got it. So we got to find a code. So what are you looking for? Numbers? Okay, we have colored numbers. So we have blue, white, green, and red. Keep that in mind, boys. Blue, white, green, and red. So there must be numbers around here tied to that somehow. What the heck? Okay, that's definitely a person, right? Okay, blue, white, green, and red. Don't let it discombobulate us. Now, I think in the bedroom there was a clock. Okay, let's see here. Anything with numbers in here? Nothing here. She doesn't look cooked. Bro. I thought I seen an alarm clock in here. Okay, there's the white number. Okay, white is 5. Red could potentially be 3, 8. Or no, because it's only 1, so it's probably 5. Okay, so we have the white, which is 5. Okay. Still. Okay, we got numbers on here, but. Okay, nothing. Yep, white is 5. There's probably not going to be more than one. I would assume there's not going to be more than one number in one room. Nothing there. And they made that one pretty obvious too. Make sure there's nothing like on the door. Check the bathroom. Okay, no numbers. No numbers in here. Alright, let's go back downstairs. Hey, this picture fell. Is there anything on this picture? No, I don't see nothing on the picture. Radio's playing. Okay. I thought it was gonna play something that we. Oh my gosh. Dude, we are not finding anything. What up, O'Donnell, my brother? Door's locked. We've only found one number so far. I got that same painting. I got that up in my bathroom. Okay, no number. Wait. Red. Okay, no numbers. No numbers in here. Dude, I don't know. This might be a tough one. I don't know where else there would be numbers at, though. Okay, no, can't open. Wait, can't open none of that. Oh wait, right here, green 7. Okay, green 7. Green 7. 5 was white. Check down here real quick. I mean, just in case, we might get lucky. Okay, I thought maybe that generator light would be good. Green 7, 5 whites. Go ahead and put those where they need to be. What are we playing? It's called White Noise Protocol. So 5, 7. So we still need blue and we need red. Oh, imagine I opened it. Okay, we still need blue and red. A lot of blue paint down here. I wonder if that wonder if they got any numbers on them. So it seems like the numbers kind of glow, which is kind of helpful. So it kind of helps make things kind of obvious almost when we do find it. We still need blue and red. There's no lights in here, right? Nothing obvious. Seems to be on electronics. Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that. Alright, so let's check the like the TV and stuff. And the radio was going off too, which was kind of weird, but it has since turned off and nothing happened. TV was on, but now it's off. So nothing on the TV. Oh wait, the remote. Nope, nothing on the remote. That was a good day. That was good though, looking at the remote. Nothing outside. Alright, let's go back upstairs. So I think we had... I don't know. Nothing. Nada. Nada. Look up, make sure we don't miss anything. Alright, let's go into the other room. Oh, we got a lot of blocks and stuff though. Even though it does seem like it's electronics. Got nothing there. Okay. I wonder if the blue is 3 because that looks like it's lit up. So I wonder if blue is 3. Let's go ahead and say blue's 3. Yep, let's go ahead and say blue's 3. So now we just need red. So blue's 3. And now we just need red. Oh my gosh, the hash ringing slasher, bro. The hash ringing slash dinging. So now we can. So now we know they can be more than just numbers. So 3. We know it's not those red numbers because those are kind of weird. Is anyone chasing you? Yeah. So basically, like your memory's chasing you. Because it's a simulation. So you have like this serial killer guy who's like trying to get you. Oh, hold on. We can just cycle through them now. Oh, the red books. I bet you that's what it is. And they literally said red on the side of them. So blue is 3. Red's going to be, let's see here. How many red books there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So let's try 2 and 7. Let's try 2 and 7 and see if we're right. All right, 2. Already got that one. Oh, it wasn't 2 and 7. Hold on, there was a couple that had the red was facing backwards, I think, though. Let me show you. I think I seen a couple that were backwards. Oh, there's some over here too. Okay, hold on. Red, 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 red. Okay, red's backwards on this one, so let's say 1. And this one, so let's say 2. See, I don't know. Oh yeah, see, these ones say something else though. 8? Is that an 8? Yeah, that might be an 8. Either way, we can cycle through them now. Let's try 8 and then let's cycle through. If it's not 8, we'll cycle through. Okay. One of these. Oh no, wait. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. This is supposed to be 3. And then let's try 8. No? It's gotta be one of these. There we go. It was 2. So I bet you there was 2. Vinyl record. Okay, this is for the stinking xylophone upstairs. I ain't afraid of him. I ain't afraid of him. Where's the xylophone at? Lock me in here. Lock me in here with my xylophone.
I'm Carl Whitmore. I'm recording this message because the truth must come out one day. I still curse myself for not killing Jesse that night. Jesse came home that night completely out of his mind on drugs.
Oh, dang.
He went up to his room and started fighting with his sister. Then came the screams. We ran upstairs. Our daughter was covered in blood.
Wait, what if we're the ones that's crazy?
High as he was, didn't even remember what he had done. I wanted to strangle him with my own hands, but Maria hid him. She protected him. We never went to the police. We told everyone our daughter had gone missing.
Wait,
It was
what if
all
we're
a
the
lie.
crazy ones?
Here's the truth. Jesse is a murderer, and by protecting him, Maria is just as guilty. Neither of them deserves to live anymore.
Dude. Are we the crazy ones? What if this whole thing is a simulation, but we're actually on drugs? This whole window just got busted out. Who is that? Wait. Wait. No. Don't do it. Now look at me hiding in the corner, bruh.
Jesse, an unexpected situation is unfolding.
What?
Your memories are taking over your mind, and we can't control it. For your survival, we are initiating the emergency protocol.
So they're gonna yank us out of here? Wait, so the vinyl record was the powerful memory item, though? Didn't they say that's what it was? It's like the Stalk 2, dude. We ended up being on drugs and killed our family. Dude, that's probably how this one is. Okay. Can we leave? I know, can't leave. You got a secret admirer. Just throwing a boulder through the window. We go back down to the basement? Okay, we got the safe open. Dude. Oh, dude, boom. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing right now. It's locked. Go upstairs. Go in the bathroom. They said they're initiating the emergency protocol. Wait, can we do something with the puzzle yet? Not yet. We climb out the window? Find memory object to burn is our objective. I could have sworn that they said that the powerful item was the vinyl record, I thought. Unless it's like that axe that went into the wall, maybe? Let's see if we can grab that. Oh, that would have been sick. Would have been sick. So we're trying to find this last memory item. I don't know what it could be, though. Pack of markers. This roll of toilet paper must be the final item that I've been running from my past from. Oh, right here. Bang. Stopwatch or pocket watch. I can turn on the electricity by running the generator in the basement. Okay, let's do it. Go run the generator. Get the power back on. No gasoline. Wait, where do we see gasoline? In the garage. Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. I come prepared and ready at all times. Okay, now let's go turn the power back on. Ah! Dude, come on, bro. You know what I mean? Like, come on. Have fun, Holmes. I'm gonna drive home. Happy streaming. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, it changed. The basement just changed. Ooh! Okay. Run! Run! I went the wrong way. Ah! Where are we? Oh! Ah! Left or right, left or left, left or straight, left or... Oh! Oh! Dude, dude, can you guys realize that I literally made one, like, I didn't turn, like, right away at the right second? I'm locked in now, though. I'm locked in now, though. Okay, that one, I wasn't ready for that one. We good, bro. We good, bro.
Jesse, can you hear me? Everything
Unfortunately.
is out of control.
You think?
We can't wake you up. Your heart rate is critical. Please,
You're
stay
right
calm.
about that.
This is just a
Simulation. Just a memory.
It's just a simulation. It's just a memory. I was nervous right there.
And you
Ooh.
can't hide from what you are, Jesse.
We're a killer,
You don't
dude.
deserve a second chance. I will never let you go. You must suffer for what you have done.
We're a killer, man.
this memory. It's too strong to erase. It's taking over your mind. We're keeping you alive, but we're running out of time.
Yeah.
The protocol has failed.
Oh, no.
You couldn't erase the memory, which means you're still trapped inside your
dang.
mind. We have to restart the protocol.
What?
You have no other choice until you take control of your mind.
Stop.
Now, press the button and restart the protocol.
Restart. No way it puts me back at the house outside. There's no way. When you open your eyes, you're back in the White Room, unable to comprehend what you've just experienced. You believe in horror that everything is over. Just then, the same voice echoes again, "Welcome to the White Room Protocol." At that moment, you realize this protocol has lost its purpose of erasing memories, and it's become an endless loop, chaining you inside your own mind. Your bad memories have trapped you here, Jesse. No matter how hard you try, you will never escape this loop. That had a crazy ending, dude.